All right, check it out. Look at this thing. Cracked on one side, really bad on the other side. All right, okay guys, we're getting ready to go to quartzite, and let me show you something. Come here. So we're getting the truck all ready to go. And actually Tina found this, and I was a little embarrassed that I didn't find it myself. But if you look at this tire.
Oh wow, that's the whole strip.
Like, yeah, the whole thing is like worn out. These are like brand new tires. And
It's
so I'm
a
like,
crazy camber on this thing.
like, what is going on? So I did some investigating and I found something else. Come check this out. Okay, so here's what I found. Check it out. I was like, only one tire was like wearing weird. So from over there, I looked over here and I saw this piece of this MorRyde suspension thing is all busted up. So I'm guessing this is like riding weird. It's like twisted so that it's causing this axle to move. I don't know. Something's weird. So what I'm gonna have to do is take this off and see if I can weld it. I hope this isn't like aluminum, which I would think that they wouldn't make it aluminum, right? All right, check it out. Look at this thing. Cracked on one side, really bad on the other side. This thing was rubbing against that bracket right there. I mean, I think I'll have to get a whole new piece, but I mean, we gotta leave tomorrow. There's no chance of me getting that. I think I can fabricate this mug up.
Okay. This is something that's going outside the under. Internal service. I can't order them. That's something that's strictly an online only thing.
Okay. All right.
You're probably looking at quite a bit, probably about a week or so in shipping.
Okay. All right, well, thanks for your help. All right, so our booth in quartzite is right next to the MorRyde guy. He can probably get us one. And as I'm like pounding on it, I think I can get it back into shape. So I think what my plan is, since we have to leave tomorrow, but I saw that wheel and I was gonna just basically like rotate the tires because I thought, hey, I don't want this blowing up. And then I think it would have blown eventually because it would have just wore down. So as I was doing it, I saw this, and this mug is messed up, but I think I can bust it back into spot. I'm gonna start with a weld up here, and then as I go around, I'm gonna just keep pounding on it, and then I'll have to like bend it out, see how it's like squished together. And then once we get it back together, we put the block back in there, it'll be good to go. Got my welder right there, but you see this crack right here? I'm gonna weld it, and then as I go, I'm gonna pound it to get it back to shape. And then I'm gonna have to pound this down here. Yeah, it's gonna be a mess, but let's just do it. Heavy welding and heavy pounding on the thing. Super hot right now. All right, here's what it looks like right now. Those are my welds. All right, yeah, be kind. Be kind, rewind. But look at that, man, there's a crack right there. This manufacturing didn't look the best. Now I gotta pry this apart, and I'm gonna try to put some welds inside there too. I don't know, should I? I think I will. All right, I actually had to take it to a neighbor's because I don't have a vise, right? So I got it pretty much bent back to shape. Check it out. I got a little bit more welding to do on it. Look at how hot this is. I burned my finger right away just by touching part of it. Look at my weld jobs. Whoa. I don't think I'm professional, but I think it'll work. Tina's leaving, and JJ's helping. All right, here we go. Look at this. Look at all that. You see all those?
See the bones of it.
The bone? Yeah, now it has bones.
Yep.
But like, it was worn out a little bit from it rubbing on the side. So I just welded it up big time. And that's why the whole thing got hot. Are you telling them how your day's going?
I
Can't.
That's right at you.
Okay. I am not impressed with this setup.
We could just buy a new camper.
Well, we could just buy a new camper.
Or we could just find a whole new.
We have done that in the past, where it's just like, hey, we're having trouble. Let's just buy a new camper. I'm not doing it anymore. I'm gonna go and use the vise again. I don't know if the rubber thing is fully in there yet.
It probably is fully in there.
I put some oil on it, kind of greased it up to put it in there. I think it worked. I think it did. So what we're gonna do, JJ, we're gonna put this tire on here, the tar, and then we're gonna drop the camper on it. Does that sound scary?
Kind of.
Yeah, we're gonna lower it down onto the camper, so then the camper will squish the rubber thing up in there.
Okay, the camera did not like that. Sorry.
No.
Okay, I can barely see your face. So, view a little bit like that. Like that, like that, like that. Okay, Dad, I'm gonna go show them how the tire looks now.
Because
That's
I
how
want
the
to
tire
load
looks
still
now.
with stuff in the office tomorrow.
So we're gonna say goodbye to you, and maybe a little bit.
All right, we have arrived at beautiful. I mean, beautiful to some people. Some people are like, I don't know. But anyway, beautiful, sunny quartzite. I wanted to give you an update on that MorRyde system. All right, so here's what we got. It all stayed together through the whole trip. Let me get a shot from the other side here. So you could see it's all stayed together. The welds look pretty good. But what I was really looking for is make sure that like this didn't crack on the side and start going up. So far it looks good. I guess my suggestion for this video would be make sure you check your MorRyde system. Make sure it hasn't broken, expanded or something. From the looks of it, looks like the welds just failed. The show starts on Saturday. Pretty excited about it because we're gonna be talking about all kinds of new stuff that we have here at Insti Connect. So if you're in the Arizona area, stop in at the Quartzite RV show. We're gonna be around the tent, what they call the Midway. We'll be out there, look for our big purple tent. Anyway, hope you're having a great day. See you at Quartzite if you're nearby. Otherwise, stay tuned right here. Make sure to click the subscribe button so you know when these videos come out. We're gonna be putting them out soon. Thanks, bye.